Hi. So this is an interesting couple. Though, so they came to us with complaints of primary infertility. They are married for 8 years and are unable to conceive. They came to us and they were under treatment with us for the past 1 year. So the male factor was severe oligoasthenoteratospermia, and the female also. She is around 35 years old and she had mild issues with their ovary egg quality. So we did some treatments for them and they tried IUI, but it didn't work out. So finally, they tried for the IVF procedure. At the time of IVF, totally we can see 17 embryos were formed for them. So it was a very good embryos it has formed, and you can see how good the blasts are formed. So these are the three embryos we transferred for them at the first embryo transfer, and we are waiting for the result. We hope to get the best result for them. So this couple, they are elderly couple, and they were trusting us and being with us, and we pray to God to get the best result for them. Thank you.